Hi friends, this is Sudeep Sen from Uttaron ETC. Namaskar. At the very beginning, congratulations to you for your decision to join in this image package. What is this package? The name itself says that it helps us to create a very impressive personality for us so that we can create a very good image into the society, into our professional area, and also into our family, into the known circle. So in this particular package, we will discuss various things into the next few modules, and at the end there will be a question answer exam. Very simple questions with multiple choice answers will be there, and I can guarantee you that all the questions will come from the topics or the points which I will discuss into the video modules coming into the next. So there will be no out of syllabus question, because here the exam and the certificate, it is there as a procedure, but that is not our main objective. Main objective is that your personality should be impressive after following the guidance whatever we will discuss into this package, and people starts talking about you, that there is a drastic improvement into everything of yourself which is visible from outside. Because you may think something within yourself, that is one part, but what people, outsiders around you, the job interviewers, your employers, your customers, all these outsiders, how they see you, that is your personality. So if people who are around you starts saying, yes, there is a drastic improvement, they are watching in yourself, that means your personality has improved a lot, and that is our motto, our aim through this package. So please enjoy the package. Just go through these modules, take your notes, understand slowly the things which we are explaining to you, make your own notes, और उसके बाद सारे के सारे चीज को अपने हिसाब से करो, बिकॉज वट एवर वी विल डिस्कस दैट इज बेसिकली द ग्रामर. जैसे कोई एक क्रिकेट कोच सारे यंगस्टर्स को बैटिंग की ग्रामर सिखाते हैं कि कौन सी बॉल में कैसे बैटिंग करना है, लेकिन वो सब कुछ सेम सीखने के बाद भी जब मैदान पे उतारते हैं बैटिंग करने के लिए, एक एक बैट्समैन एक एक तरीका से बैटिंग करता है. दैट इज हिज ओन वे ऑफ बैटिंग. ग्रामर रिमेन सेम, लेकिन उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हर बंदा अपनी नेचर के साथ जैसा ठीक लगता है तो वैसे करते हैं, जैसे उसको कंफर्ट लगता है वो वैसे करता है. सेम थिंग वट एवर वी विल डिस्कस इन टू दिस टॉपिक ऑफ सेल्फ इमेज डेवलपमेंट और ग्रूमिंग ऑफ आवर पर्सनालिटी, द ग्रामर वी विल डिस्कस, बट उसको अपनी तरीके से अपनी लाइफ में अपनी स्टाइल में उसको अडॉप्ट करना वो आपकी काम है. तो लेट अस एंजॉय दिस मॉड्यूल्स. Please join me into the next modules, and I wish you all the best in the starting itself of this package. And once again, thank you for joining into this package. Namaskar.